Hey guys, so since I recently purchased this Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop, I decided to kind of challenge myself a bit. So I'm gonna choose one element and only use those three colors in that element. Since my sign is the Aries, I'm gonna go with the fire shades. Just apply the color to my crease. And I'm probably going to end up with a patchy spot right here because there's like a dry spot that just doesn't want to go away. Oh well. And then if you need to blend out the edges, just take a clean blending brush and you're just gonna blend. Take a smaller brush and going with the same color, but going lower into the crease. Keep going back and forth with it until I get the amount of dimension I want. Just going back with these three brushes. So a clean brush to blend out the edges, this brush to kind of blend it together, and then this little brush to kind of define it, and picking up more product when need. So now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to start off with this little detailed brush, taking the Leo and kind of just outlining to where I want it to stop. Put it in the center. And then on the outer corner, I'm just going to use this small detailed brush with the purple. I'm going to go in with the Leo using my pinky finger and kind of just patting on more color. Ugh. And then I'm going in with the Aries. This brush is a low Cornell brush. It is like a paintbrush. I've had this for quite a long time, but I'm just going to use it to blend back and forth the Leo and the Aries. I'm going to take this tiny brush, which is also a paintbrush. Very good for detailing. I'm going to outline right there. Take a little bit of concealer and clean up this line. I think I'm not gonna line my eyes. Maybe I'll tightline, just because I have hooded lids and I think it'll take away from this look if I line my eyes. So I popped some lashes on. These are very dramatic lashes. I wouldn't normally wear this out in public. I did one time. It was a little too much. But anyways, so I'm going to go in the same order down below.